Hey guys, let's see here. I just wanted to catch you guys up real quick. We got that patch from the other day welded all in. It's really nice. It's done. I got the springs just laying in place for right now. My buddy Kevin come over the other day. We wanted to check everything. I don't know if you were watching from the earlier videos. I always thought this one had a little tiny kink to it, and it might, like I saw a little something here, but it turned out to be nothing. If you remember when we talked about when I first started this, the car was quartered at one time, so it got bashed on this side, on the driver's side, and so this is where the hit was and where they had to do a pullback. And I want to show you. You can just imagine. You get into the corner here, right here, this hole. I'm gonna bring the light over if you can't see it, but yeah, you can see it. You can just imagine right here, there was a hook, that they put on there to pull it down, and they pulled a hell in. So the frame was a little tweaked. I mean, we chased it around and looked and looked and looked. I mean, if I'm an 1/8 inch out, we're lucky. It's really, really close. You could see the bubble on the level right here. I mean, we're right there, and we checked the squares. It's a hair out, but it's nothing that you can really shake a stick at, so we decided to roll with it. And tonight I come out, made a couple templates up, and let me show you. My hand's in the way. Kind of little top hat looking things. I got them, two of them cut out there. I'm gonna get these broke tomorrow to a 90 and show you what's up with that. So where this line is right here is the center of where the old bracket was for the where the spring landed. So I'm just going to make these up right here, just so I have more weldable area and all that stuff. So we'll put these on, right, and I'll just screw them on temporarily, and I'll bring the perch up into place, and I'll tack it on the bottom of this nice and tight right where we want it. Then I'll unscrew it and I'll bench weld that to that, and that'll take care of the front of the springs and be plenty strong. We'll be able to spread that load out a little bit. I mean, if I could find a piece of angle iron, I'd use it, but I got that big sheet of 316 over there, so I used that tonight. And I used my little plasma cutter there, but that's the top end of what that little thing, that little 110 unit can cut. It has 316, but it did the job, so we're good. Really wish I could do more, but you can hear the rain and you can see it. I mean, we got tornado watches and everything else going on in the last 2 days. Anybody that lives in Pennsylvania knows. So I am trying. We'll have a little more for you guys tomorrow. Take care. Okay, how you guys doing tonight? I mocked up the bracket that we welded last night for the driver's side. Springs laying in there real nice. It's going to come out really well. So I just got it screwed for right now. Wanted to get everything ready. And we'll get this thing tacked up and going probably tomorrow night. I got the passenger side bracket. I just got done welding that up. It's still a little hot, but we got some really nice welds going on now. We got there you go there. You guys can see these are plenty strong. That'll pick the whole damn car up, fellas. So we got that ready to go, and we'll get that mounted, but that's probably all I'm going to do tonight. It's getting late, and I don't want to tick off the neighbors pounding and welding and all. So we'll get this other spring mocked up tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get everything tacked in and welded up. But things are going pretty smooth now. I'm getting pretty excited. to get these tires under here and get some measurement. I can't wait to get the rear end and get things going. But all right, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. Take care. Okay, guys, we welded these in, so we're on the inside right now. Both sides all welded in. We just went ahead and MIG welded these ones in. They were fine. I mean, them wood things that I used to hold the body up are kind of in the way, so it was just a little easier to do it that way. We'll come out and show you the other side. Yeah. There we go. There you can see they're nice and tight. They're all welded in. We got everything real good. Same thing on the other side. And things they'll hold anything. So there you go. Get them all welded up there. Everything's all taken care of. Everything's nice and tight. So I'm going to paint these and get them painted out, so we can avoid the surface rust and everything, and then I'll get them bolted up later. I gotta get ready to go to a graduation party, so that's probably all we're gonna do today. My son come over this morning. We measured from the back of the front axle to the center of the hole on each side, and man, we got 89 and 9/16 on both sides, so we ain't gonna have no crab going down the road, I know that. And then from this hole to the center of the shackle hole hanging the best I could. I mean, I measured the stud, and it's 57 and 3/16 on this side, and 57 and a hair under 3/16 on that side. And that could have been either, you know, I mean, that's so close. It's there. That could have been where these old hangers were, or I could have just been off a little fuzz. But it's really, really good. So we're happy with that. So let me get these painted up, and that's probably going to be it for today. Take care. Yeah, I just got home from the party, and I'm just going over the car, and I threw the tires under. I'm just playing. I didn't measure anything, but man, oh man, does it look nice. And I'm really happy so far. Hopefully everything goes good tomorrow when we take our measurements. And let you guys, I'm just playing around. I figured I'd let you guys have a peek at it too, but man, oh man, look at that, fellas. It's really, really nice. It's really coming together. So we'll see what goes down tomorrow. I'll get the tires all measured under there, get everything evened up, and we'll get that measurement from the rim, and see what other measurements the rear shop might need. So I'll get back to you guys. I just playing around. Figured you guys like to have a look.